With the Foreo Luna Play Plus, this is the tiny but mighty T-Sonic facial cleansing device, and this is supposed to give you a deep yet gentle cleaning. It has ultra hygienic silicone, and this is for radiant looking skin, and this is suitable for all skin types, and included is a replaceable AAA battery. So when you open it, inside looks like this. So this just has some more information and just some instructions, and I'm not entirely sure what this is, but I will read a little bit more about it and let you know. On this paper, it tells you how you can use your Luna Play Plus. So first you want to apply your cleanser or your face wash, and then after you want to wet your device, and then afterwards you want to use it for about 60 seconds and use it in circular motions, and then when you're done, you just rinse off your face. The bristles are extremely soft, so as you can see at the bottom it has lots of smaller bristles, and then at the top it has some bigger ones. On the back is the on and off switch, so if you press it gently, then you'll hear that it vibrates, but if you press it just a little bit harder, then it stays on and it's ready to use. Here are two things that you want to remember. So when using this device, you want to avoid using clay, silicone-based exfoliator scrubs, or grainy cleansers, because this may actually cause damage to the silicone. Also, when cleaning your face, you want to keep the routine to under 3 minutes because it does a good job and you don't need to go over that. And with using this device, it helps to remove blemish-causing impurities, it unblocks pores, and it reduces their appearance. It also refines and it smooths skin's texture. And this was my first time using this device and this cleanser, and both worked out great for me. My skin was extremely smooth and clean afterwards, and it felt very soft.